guys, it's Katie and I am back with a new cooking video. Today I am joined by my little brother Stanley and we are going to be making chocolate flavoured Dino Cake. This is from Tesco. We have already preheated the oven to 180 degrees and we are now going to show you all the ingredients we have.
A bowl, eggs,
milk, cake cases, the cake mix in here, fondant and icing, but that will come later. Let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is add the cake mix into the bowl. Next, we are going to add the egg into the mix. Then we are going to add the milk in. Then we're going to be adding some butter in. Now it says around 40 grams, but we haven't got anything to weigh it with. So I'm just going to take a guess and hope for the best. We are just going to whisk it with a whisk, mix it all up and pour it into the cupcake cases. So we have now whisked it all up. It's quite smooth, which is surprising because my cakes never usually go well. And we're now going to put them into the cupcake cases. Finally, I'm going to go and put these in the oven. It says on the tin that it should take 10 minutes for the cakes to cook. So I'm going to use our Alexa to get a timer.
10 minutes, starting now.
And this is why we use Alexa. Whilst we're waiting for the cakes to cook, I thought that we could make the dinosaurs here. Now we have the fondant and we're going to attempt to make 6 of these. So whilst Stanley is making the rest of his fondant dinosaurs, I'm going to start making this icing up. So I checked the cakes and they're fully cooked now. So all we've got to do is wait for Stanley to finish with his fondant and the icing is already made up, and then wait until the cakes are cold and then we will decorate them. These are our finished cakes. We are going to put them in the fridge. And thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any other videos you want me to film. share it with your friends, subscribe so you see all my videos, and turn post notifications on so you get notified when I upload my newest video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!